I won't use a flow extender on purpose, but I will do something. I will use this paint because I don't want it to fly over the canvas, and I will bring it here. I will bring this paint here. To help this part to flow. I will use this paint here. So we may start with the spinning again. That's what I'm gonna do. Maybe it's stupid not to use a flow extender, but we will see. We'll see. We always have enough time to add it. I will use this paint because it's a waste of paint. Why wouldn't I use it? So I would need time for a flow extender anyway, so good. Good. Oh, oh God. Like a cornfield in the midnight. God. Oh, God. Like a cornfield. Yes. Just like a cornfield. God. Maybe it will be a great background. We will see. Should I bring the paint here more? I will bring the paint on the middle. Let's do it. I won't do it crazy because there is no need. It's enough that paint dripping in this circle is easier for me to clean. I don't need to spin it too much because it will spread, that's for sure. It will spread, that is for sure. One way or another. And I think that I will get a beautiful background. I think that I will get a beautiful background. So I should use again. I shouldn't put it down. This. I have a lot of paint here. So I may use it here. I may use it here. Like this. So we will help. We will help a little bit with this. We will help a little bit with this. You see? We will use every drop of paint. Every drop of the paint. So that's good, isn't it? Let's see the other side. Yes, I should do the same here. I should do the same here. I should do the same here. So beautiful. So I will need maybe flow extenders for some other painting, but I won't spin, and maybe I will need a lot of flow extenders. So it's better to use it like this. So I just We have here beautiful paint. Good. And I will put this paint down because it's gonna, this helping not to flow away, paint to not flying away, because the paint is collecting here and a lot of paint flying away. So I still have a chance to do something if I want, of course. I will have to think about it for a second. Should I do one more? Wreck, or maybe I could do something more. Maybe I could do something more. Because it still have enough time for doing this. Maybe like this. And I think that I will get a beautiful background. Midnight background. So, let's do it. Let's do it. Dripping sound of paint. That's good. That means the paint is moving. On the other side, and the other direction. And I need to check something because I strained the paint and I can't believe that there is something in the paint because I strained the paint. So maybe it's just a bubble, but I need to check it. Oh yes, just a bubble. It was strange to me because I was really very careful today and I really twice strained my paint. Even the pouring medium, everything I strained, and it was so. Let me check this. We have a little white here, but it doesn't matter. I may leave this because this white is showing here too. Or I could do something like this and then spin it. I have a little bit of white here, I don't mind for this part, but it seems to me that in this part is too much, so I added a little bit. So we will check it. So let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, we need this part too. We need this part to move the paint down. Good. Good. So let's do it. One more spin and it will be enough. Need to check about about this part where I added the paint. Wow, it's good looking because there is also ultramarine. There is green and ultramarine. Let's spin it one more time. Did I spin it in this direction? I should spin it now like this. Yes, I should spin it like this now. So, I could have a double layers as I started with the greenish blue, neon blue, cadmium green, yellow green. I should go with a greenish blue, neon, cadmium, yellow green, but I didn't want. I just wanted to be on these four colors, and I like what I see. I like what I see. And this part is so interesting. This part is so interesting. And I won't do anything anymore. It's beautiful the way it is. I just need to show you close up. Maybe I could do something to connect those parts. Because I don't want them to be visible so much. God, it's so sharp, if I may say like this. I should use something else. Just a few of them. Just a few of them. We won't do a lot of things. Just a few of them. This one is not so much, but since I have here, I will do one more here. Could I do one more here? Because we have this one here. So I can use like this. And that is all that we're gonna do. Maybe to spin it one more time, because it seems to me that for every case, even though it's not so much paint in the middle, let's do it one more time. Let's do it one more time, and I will show you close up. I should stop this now. Enough is enough. So, I need to show you close up. I like it the way it is. I just need to watch it from this side, because yes, it's interesting. From this part we have a dark, like flowers. Here are the lights. These two are, I really love it. I have to use a torch. I have to use a torch, but first I need to kind of protect myself. And I will do this just in this part. Just in this part that I may closer there. Good. Good. And I will put it here like this. Okay, so I'm protected here. So all I need to do is to show you close up, to make me my way. It's a very interesting. I see this greenish blue. I see this cadmium and yellow-green are somehow very neon green mixed with the cadmium. I love this part with a little bit of gold. This part. I'm sad that I didn't give here it is gold too. I'm kind of sad that I didn't use more gold, but I didn't want the gold to take over. I love this. It looks like you may like sink in it. It's beautiful. I need to use a torch. I almost forgot it. I need to use a torch because I saw just bubbles. What is this? Oh, stubborn bubble. And it is something, but oh God, I strained it. I need to use a torch and see the reaction with the... It looks like the... how to say? A finger... like a fingerprint, and you may see the skin here. It's crazy. And this part is also like that. But when you're looking, it's like drawing you to the middle, because it looks like that's good. I like it. I will show you the close-up. I will show you the close-up, but God help me. I don't know if it is something here or it is a stubborn bubble. No, it looks like bubbles. It's just paint. The crazy thing is that I really strained everything. Everything. I strained it twice. Pouring medium paint. I first mixed the paint as a paint to be quite sure that all of the pigments is... I don't know how it happened. So I will show you close up. But first I will clean this. I will make a pause just for a few seconds. I will make a pause just for a few seconds because I see that paint is starting to... I bring the paint to close the edge of my table, so I have to be careful. So I will press the pause, and in a few minutes I will come back to you. So here we are. I cleaned the table, and now I may show you. I don't know how much you may see. but I need to scrape. I need to scrape the edge of the canvas, not the canvas. I heard myself talking that I need to scrape a canvas. I said, oh my God, Sonia, you're really crazy. What are you talking about? So I need to scrape the edges to clean those drips, to stop dripping paint. So I will do it like this, and I should put down this tape that was keeping the canvas, and I will show you the close-up. I will show you the close-up. I will show you close-up. I'll show you close-up. Just I need to fix this cup on its place. So I need to clean this side, excuse me, and I will pick up this tape. Oh, I already did, good. I already did before, and this cup, I need to fix this cup. So we scrape the canvas. We scrape the canvas. Let me check, what is this? We scrape the canvas. Okay. Let this strip. Good. So I need to clean this later, and I will show you close up. I apologize for leaving you here, but I had to scrape canvas because I'm going out. I have to take a shower, so I'm kinda in a hurry. I need to clean the strips, so I will show you close up. I'll show you close up. A beautiful close up. Maybe I will leave it like this, or I will use it as a background because I kind of like it. It's like tricking me into the middle. I think that I won't use it as a blanket or a tapestry on the wall. It may be on the wall, but not as a tapestry, because, as I said, I made it to tin paint, and for this shape it's important, very important, to have a thick paint, because the paint won't run away. You may easily control it, and it's easier to keep the shape, but I'm really very satisfied with this, and I think that I should torch it. Okay, so here I wasn't going for any selection, but I got some, and I have to wait to see how it's going to dry. Some cells showing here, but I hope it won't be too much of cells, because I wasn't going for cells. It's not like this painting, because it will be really maybe used as a background, just that depends on the dry result, because I really like it. I really like it. Let me show you close up. Oh, should I bring it more? I should bring it closer here, because it's easier for me to show you close up. It's easier for me to show you close up if I bring it closer here. I'm glad that I got calming painting. That's why I didn't use a lot of, a lot of layers of puddles, because as I said, I should do it with it twice, repeating the colors. But I decided that I will do just with those colors, with the 4 colors and 4 shades of greens, except that I added just a little bit of that yellow and gold. It's nothing, but I'm glad that I did. You may see it, not too much, just a little bit on some parts, and it's really like sunbeams trying to come through the jungle. Yeah, I will show you close up. I'll show you close up. Well, I was watching from the side. This is my position that I like. The position that I like it. But I still have to wait for it to dry, that I may see all the others' positions. But I like it. It's really calming. It's a really calming painting. And that's what I like. That's what I like. That's what I like. It's a really calming painting. And from the side, I'll show you from my mountain. I have to go on my mountain to show you from the side. You may see it now. Well, I like it. And you may watch it from this side too. You may watch it from this side. From this side too. I'm not quite sure which position, but I like this position somehow, because it somehow has his, like a cross part dragging me to a middle. But I'm looking good. So, that was tonight's painting, calming, relaxing. I thought at the beginning that I'm gonna get the cornfields, but I got like a, I don't know how to explain, like laying on the ground and watching in the sky, somewhere in the jungle. But I like it because you will see when it's gonna dry. There is a lot of beautiful shapes. I have in this mode recording, so I can't show you. I don't know why. I can't change the mode. But it's beautiful. I hope that this blue, greenish blue, blue-green, whatever, that will dry beautifully. I really hope. So I have to wait for the dry result, because you may see the best on the dry result. So, wish you all to have a beautiful start of the weekend, beautiful working Monday. Wish you blessed day or night, wherever you are, from beautiful Slovenia. You can give me some thumbs up. You can subscribe and join me creating. And it's up to you, of course. But anyway, I will do it. You decide whatever you want. Bye-bye.